Learn Hindi travel phrases fast. Where is the stop? 2.
कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म?
Welcome to the great travel panic. Hey, you are about to survive buses, trains, platforms, and possibly your own sense of direction. Let's learn useful Hindi that sounds natural and helps you get around without accidentally boarding a goat cart. Picture this. You arrive in India with confidence, a bag, and absolutely no idea where anything is. Your phone battery is at 2%, your map is spinning like it had too much tea, and a bus may or may not be leaving soon. This is your heroic moment. First, you ask.
स्टॉप कहाँ है?
That means, where is the stop? Then you need timing, so you ask.
बस ट्रेन कब चलती है?
Meaning, when does the bus or train leave? Next comes the ticket window, where you bravely say.
दिल्ली के लिए एक टिकट कृपया. टीएल लेटिन. दिल्ली के लिए एक टिकट कृपया.
A ticket to Delhi, please. If you want a return trip, say.
वहाँ और वापस कृपया.
And finally, when everyone suddenly runs in one direction, you stay calm and ask.
कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म?
Which platform? Congratulations. You are now 73% more prepared than fictional backpackers in comedy movies. Your survival phrases. Let's line up your key phrases like loyal travel superheroes. Say them with me slowly and proudly. Phrase 1. Where is the stop? In Hindi.
स्टॉप कहाँ है?
Phrase 2. When does the bus or train leave? In Hindi.
बस ट्रेन कब चलती है?
Phrase 3. A ticket to, please. In Hindi.
के लिए एक टिकट कृपया.
Phrase 4. There and back, please. In Hindi.
वहाँ और वापस कृपया.
Phrase 5. Which platform? In Hindi.
कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म?
Tiny memory trick.
कहाँ?
Helps with where.
कब?
Helps with when and.
कृपया.
Keeps you polite. Politeness is cheaper than missing a train. A very dramatic station scene. Now listen to a mini story. Imagine the station noise, the chai smell, and your heroic eyebrows of concentration. You rush into a crowded station. A whistle blows. A pigeon judges you. You look around and ask a passerby.
स्टॉप कहाँ है?
The passerby points ahead, but now a new problem appears. Is your ride leaving soon? You ask the clerk.
बस ट्रेन कब चलती है?
The clerk answers quickly, which is exciting, but not helpful if your face is still processing the first half of the sentence. So you recover beautifully and say.
आगरा के लिए एक टिकट कृपया.
Then you remember you also need to come back, because living forever at platform 4 was not your plan. So you add.
वहाँ और वापस कृपया.
Ticket in hand, you hear an announcement that sounds fast enough to bend time. You ask the guard.
कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म?
The guard points. You run. The pigeon still judges you. But now you are judging back, in Hindi. Mini dialogue practice. Let's do quick travel dialogues. You can repeat the Hindi parts after each pause. Traveler. Excuse me, where is the stop? Hindi.
स्टॉप कहाँ है?
Local. Straight ahead. Nice, you did not wander into a fruit market by accident. Traveler. Excuse me, when does the bus leave? Hindi.
बस कब चलती है?
Clerk. In 10 minutes. This is enough time for panic, but also enough time for success. Traveler. A ticket to Mumbai, please. Hindi.
मुंबई के लिए एक टिकट कृपया.
Clerk. One way or return? Traveler. There and back, please. Hindi.
वहाँ और वापस कृपया.
Traveler. Which platform? Hindi.
कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म?
Guard. Platform 3. Run with dignity, or at least with your bag zipped. Funny memory hooks. Now let's glue these phrases into your memory with images that are slightly ridiculous, which is honestly great for learning. 4.
स्टॉप कहाँ है?
Imagine asking a dog for directions. The dog barks proudly at the bus stop like an unpaid transport consultant. 4.
बस ट्रेन कब चलती है?
Imagine a giant clock wearing a conductor's hat and yelling, "Ask me properly." 4.
के लिए एक टिकट कृपया.
Imagine a ticket machine that only works when you are polite. If you forget,
कृपया.
it prints a sad potato. 4.
वहाँ और वापस कृपया.
Imagine the clerk handing you a boomerang first, then a return ticket. 4.
कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म?
Imagine 10 pigeons standing in a row like station officials, all refusing to answer unless you ask in Hindi. Quick drill challenge. Your turn. I'll give you the English. You say the Hindi in your head, or out loud if nobody is around to be impressed. Where is the stop?
स्टॉप कहाँ है?
When does the bus or train leave?
बस ट्रेन कब चलती है?
A ticket to Jaipur, please.
जयपुर के लिए एक टिकट कृपया.
There and back, please.
वहाँ और वापस कृपया.
Which platform?
कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म?
Bonus round. A ticket to Delhi, please.
दिल्ली के लिए एक टिकट कृपया.
Bonus round. When does the train leave?
ट्रेन कब चलती है?
Build it yourself. Here is the fun part. You do not need to memorize everything as one giant brick. You can build useful phrases from smaller pieces. Notice the pattern in.
के लिए एक टिकट कृपया.
Put in a place name, then add.
के लिए.
Then.
एक टिकट.
Then.
कृपया.
So Delhi becomes.
दिल्ली के लिए एक टिकट कृपया.
Mumbai becomes.
मुंबई के लिए एक टिकट कृपया.
Agra becomes.
आगरा के लिए एक टिकट कृपया.
You are not just memorizing. You are assembling travel power. Mildly glamorous travel power. Friendly conclusion. You made it, and unlike our imaginary confused traveler, you now actually know what to say. Today you learned how to ask.
स्टॉप कहाँ है? बस ट्रेन कब चलती है? के लिए एक टिकट कृपया. वहाँ और वापस कृपया.
And.
कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म?
That is a fantastic set of real travel Hindi phrases. Thank you for listening and learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and the next time you travel, your Hindi will show up before your panic does. You've got this.